So this demo filters important emails that arrive to your Gmail inbox, analyzes that with AI, and then filters out the important emails and sends you a notification to Slack or any other tool of your choice. So to start using it, you just have to fill in the last missing bits, and that's your Gmail account. You need to connect right here. The AI step is pre-configured with the prompt and with the mapped data coming from the Gmail. You just need to connect your OpenAI account. You will need an API key with some pre-purchased credits on OpenAI to analyze the email content with AI. I'll link to the page where you can do that in the instructions for this template. Then the filter that filters out the important emails is also set up, and you can explore how it's configured. And then the final missing piece is Slack. You just connect your account and select the user that you want to send it to. So if you're just testing, you can send that to yourself. The data coming in from the email is also pre-configured for you here. So once you've done all of this, you can just hit start and then send in your email. And if it sounds important, then it will analyze it and send that important email summary to you on Slack.